Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this version of Vanguard Requires Secure Boot to be enabled. So first of all, what you have to do is find the folder in which you have installed the Valorant game. So once you found the Valorant game, what you have to do is right click the game and click on show more options and click on properties. Now you have to go to the compatibility section. Now you have to check mark this option and select Windows 8 and then simply click on apply and click on OK. Now once you've done that, what you have to do is open the BIOS of your computer. To turn on BIOS of your computer or to access the BIOS of your computer, what you have to do is restart your computer. Once your screen turns on, you have to press F2 or F11, maybe it depends upon your motherboard. Once you're in your BIOS mode, what you have to do is go to the settings, security tab, and in the trusted computing section, you will see security device support. What you have to do is enable that option. Once you have enabled the security device support, you have to go back and then you have to go to the security, secure boot, and key management. In the key management, you'll see an option called enroll all factory default keys. You have to go enable that option as well. And then what you have to do is go to the security and the secure boot. Here you will see a secure boot option. You have to enable that as well. After turning on secure boot, you have successfully fixed the problem. All you have to do is save the changes and close or turn off your PC once again from your BIOS and restart in the normal mode. And you have successfully fixed this version of Vanguard Requires Secure Boot to be enabled. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.